Hello again. I'm C.J. Rogers, broker and owner of Starpoint Realty and Management. Whether you are a novice or seasoned real estate investor, you are constantly searching out opportunities to increase cash flow and enhance your profitability. Inevitably, the topic of professional property management comes up, along with the associated fees they charge. As stated in previous videos, my goal for this series is not to discuss the merits of property management or to sell you on the services provided by my company. As the title suggests, I would like to continue our preliminary overview of reasons that you may not need professional property management, and then to drill down on those reasons in this and our subsequent videos. So let's get started with, you may not need professional property management if. Today we're going to discuss a few components related to tenant move-in and move-out documentation. Some of the typical complaints heard very often in the property management business go something like this. When I moved into this house, it was filthy, and when I moved out, it was better than when I moved in. I can't believe they're charging me to clean this house again. That sort of thing. While I can't speak for others, these types of after-the-fact complaints might be reduced with proper move-in and move-out documentation. To reduce these disputes, do you obtain date and time stamped photographic documentation of the condition of the property? Do you have a state-of-the-art app that allows you to inspect and document property condition pre-move-in, and that app is also used by the tenant for their move-in inspection and then used by you again upon move-out? These apps are great for one simple reason. The owner and the tenant inspections and photographs are in one file, and everyone is looking at the same information. While a system such as this doesn't eliminate disputes, it does reduce them significantly. Do you fully understand your requirements regarding deposit reconciliations? Do you understand your state's particular penalties in the event a deposit reconciliation is not completed in the stated mandated amount of time? Are you aware of the tenant's right to dispute a deposit reconciliation and the time frame they have for doing so in your particular state? How about the required time frame for your response to a dispute? In the event disputes cannot be resolved and a tenant decides to pursue legal action, are you properly prepared to defend your decisions in court? In order to avoid tenant property damage in excess of tenant deposits, are you willing or are you prepared to perform in-person inspections of your property quarterly or at least semi-annually? In the event there are damages in excess of a tenant deposit, do you have a resource for recovery of these costs? While a majority of tenants will take reasonable care of your property and fully comply with the terms of their lease, many do not. Unfortunately, most policies and procedures are implemented for the lowest common denominator. While there are no guarantees as to how a tenant will honor a lease or take care of your property, having the right documentation and policies and procedures in place will significantly reduce the turnover cost and help reduce vacancy time. Until next time, I appreciate you watching. Thank you.